Welcome to AV Insights and Advice. I'm Shane, and I'm here with Daniel, our resident record specialist. I'm very excited to talk to him today about records and all the little details of it. So Daniel, what's the favorite part of the recording process for you? What's the favorite part of your job?
I really enjoy solving problems, and each venue and each new client presents a new set of circumstances that requires a unique solution. And when we create a solution that solves those problems flawlessly, it's really rewarding. After
the virtual world we lived in for a couple of years, attendees have a major expectation of virtual components of events. This could be on-demand recordings, it could be just entirely virtual experiences of the event, being able to watch the sessions live or after the fact on a platform. And because of that, recordings have become increasingly important in live events. And nailing these recordings is just as important, because when you're live, the session only happens once and you really have to nail that recording. So what are some of the ways that we cover our bases, can maintain consistent quality across our shows?
Yeah, we like to staff a record manager as part of our crew, and this person's sole responsibility is overseeing our whole record system. So this involves deploying primary and backup recorders. On a larger show, we have a system where they can monitor all the feeds from all the rooms in real time, so they can identify issues as they happen and correct them. And they're also your primary point of contact for delivering files, whether that needs to happen quickly on site or if it's going to be post-show. They can oversee any sort of editing that needs to happen on site, all sorts of fun things.
With these recordings, our clients monetize their event further in the virtual space. They can sell the recordings to virtual attendees, sell virtual tickets, stream the sessions live, as well as recording them. There's just a couple ways. And what are some of the other ways they can use recordings to promote their event or monetize it?
Well, firstly, you have this huge investment in this event with all these great sessions, but each attendee can only be in one place at one time. So if there's a session going on that they really wanted to see, but they're stuck in a different workshop or something like that, a recording is a great way to allow them to attend more than one session that may be happening concurrently. Events are often funded through sponsorship. Some of these packages include sponsored breakout sessions, which may include a recording. And when it goes well, this recording will spread within your sponsor's ecosystem, and that results in some cross-promotional branding for both you and the sponsor.
So our clients have a variety of expectations on what they want their final recordings to look like. It could just be isolated recordings, it could be edits. Daniel, what are some of the examples of the deliverables we've handed off to clients?
There's a lot of common examples. Sometimes our clients want to handle their own look development in-house, so we'll just give them isolated recordings, so usually maybe a camera feed, whatever showed on the projector screen in the room. Sometimes they want a more polished product, so we can offer editing services. We can add intro animations, outros, lower thirds for speaker titles, watermarking. Sometimes our clients, speed is the name of the game, in which case we'll give them a pre-composited 70-30 look. So that's when most of the screen is the slide that the speaker's talking about, and then a smaller 30% of the screen is the speaker camera view.
And these edits also have a variety of turnaround times. So sometimes our clients need them up to a month after the event finishes, just as something they can send the attendees, as a reminder of the event and the sessions. Other times they need the recordings done, edited with lower thirds, title cards, the whole shebang within 12 to 20 hours of the session ending. And we are capable of handling all those turnaround times, making sure that our products, again, maintain a consistent level of quality across the whole show. Daniel, thank you for taking the time talking about records today. If you have any questions or inquiries about records, please reach out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.